Today, we're gonna be unboxing one of my favorite Nike Dunks that have released, and it's only March 2021. Let's go. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. Man, today we got a treat for y'all because we are gonna be unboxing one of my favorite releases, and it's not even midpoint of the year yet. We have that Nike iconic box. We are dealing with the Dunks because you know on this channel we try to get everything that has not been released, either if it's not been released in the US or probably not even released in the world yet, but this pair has released in Europe. We'll go ahead and start off with reading out this exact Nike label. It says a Nike Dunk Low Retro PRM, and the colorway is a Sail Fossil Medium Curry. And damn, I cannot say how amazed I am by this pair, but we'll go ahead and unbox it for the first time so you guys can see my initial reaction, because my goodness, this shoe is crazy already. I cannot wait till it hits the States. Officially, we have not heard yet when these are gonna be dropping. They were supposed to drop in February, but that was just the Europe release. But we'll go ahead and drop a 360 view before we get into that view that we love so much. Damn, yo, the quality on these are unreal. That 360 view is showing exactly what I wanted to just outline, because man, I'm telling you, when you guys get these in hand, it really reminds me of one of these shoes that I can't wait to talk about, but we'll go and start into that view we love so much. Man, oh man, let's bring on this view. This shoe is crazy good. I really love what Nike did with this pair. First glance, you're just looking at this suede that they utilized. It is so buttery. Can't believe it's not butter. It is a fully suede constructed upper, and you have the different browns that it's talked about when you look at the labels. So you have the sail uppers here, and then you have that brown overlay. And lastly, you got that fossil colored swoosh and the heels. So I'll bring that in a little bit, but those are the three colors that they talked about, and I can't even say more because this colorway on the laces is not a white, it is a cream colorway. It is so nice in the way it's constructed. And then we get to the tongue. This tongue is not like a normal Dunk, I would say. It's a little bit more, I guess, sturdy in terms of the material that they use, but you have that Nike, the hit on the embroidery, and man, I love those hits that they do there. And then lastly, you got that back heel tab, Nike. Oh man, I love this shoe a lot. And then we got to talk about this curry rubber sole. So they utilize a different, it's like the curry color on this part, and then they use an off-white. So I'm gonna say that this is the fossil colored, the heels and the midsole. I cannot wait to put this on foot. I don't know why this hasn't hit the US already. This is a perfect summer shoe, bar none. I think that girls are gonna love this specifically, and guys, you can dress this up and down. And man, I can't wait till people get these in hand. I think it's time that we're able to talk about the resale value. Definitely for the personal, I would pay top dollar for the shoe. The type of material that they utilized, the color combo, I think that this is for sure gonna be in the collection. Unfortunately, this isn't my personal pair. This is a size 11, so it is too big. Right now on the market, they are available in Asia and in Europe. Pairs are being surfaced through StockX. Last sale right now is about $343. I think that this shoe is gonna go down, definitely not go down in price, but it's gonna go up in price. I think this is easily like a $400 shoe. Just because of the simplistic vibes that they utilize as well as the color combinations, I don't think that this is gonna be like a regular cheap Dunk that when they get released, I think that the numbers are gonna be a little bit lower. The fall, summer colorways that you're coming out with this pair, you can wear this with the all black, and then you got these shoes on. That's probably what I would do because that's just how I style everything. But if you're gonna try to make money and these resell for about $100, for sure you're gonna be selling these for like $300 to $350. So from a reseller standpoint, I definitely think these are cop. Let me know, comment down below and tell me, is this a cop or a drop? OOSKicks, we are keeping this in the vault for sure. I will be selling a few pairs online by the time that this video surfaces. Definitely wanted to do a review on these because yeah, you're not gonna wanna mess with these. With that being said, that's our little review on this Nike Dunk Curry. I don't really like the high tops as much. That's just because myself, I don't rock high tops. We've had an enormous amount of growth that we've been in here. This is our 3rd month on YouTube, and we just can't wait for more collaborations that we have together with all the different YouTubers, social medias, and just to continue on with this journey. Keep following us, keep showing us the support, and we love y'all. We appreciate y'all. And always remember, y'all, stay in stock with Out of Kicks. Peace!
Yeah, wanna live good, so shit, I sell dope for a 4-finger ring. One of them gold ropes. Nana told me if I pass, I get a sheepskin coat. If I can move a few packs, I get the hat. Now that'd be dope. Tossed and turned in my sleep that night. Woke up the next morning, niggas will stole my bike. Different day, same shit, ain't nothing good. In the hood, I run away from this bitch and never come back if I could. Hated to love it, the underdogs on top. And I'm gon' shine on me until my heart stop.
Go ahead, envy me. I'm Raps MVP, and I ain't going nowhere, so you can get to know me.
Hated to love it, the underdogs on top. And I'm gon' shine on me until my heart stop.
Go ahead, envy me. I'm Raps MVP, and I ain't going nowhere, so you can get to know me.